Some places you visit, other places you feel. Naples is a city you feel deep in your soul. It pulses with a rhythm all its own, and at its heart is a simple dish that has conquered the world: pizza. But not just any pizza, the original, born right here on these streets. This isn't just food. It's a story, a tradition, a piece of Neapolitan identity. To understand Naples, you must understand its pizza. The city can seem intimidating at first, loud, crowded, relentless. But beneath that vibrant exterior is a warmth that welcomes you in. The people here want to share their culture, history, and most importantly, their food. My quest was simple: to taste pizza where it was invented. I wanted to see how it was made, meet the people who perfect it, and feel the history in every bite. This wasn't just a culinary trip, it was a search for authenticity. In a world full of imitations, I wanted to find the real thing. The kind of food that tells a story, connecting you to a place and its people. In Naples, that search begins and ends with a simple circle of dough, tomato, and cheese. The promise of that perfect slice is what draws you in. You can read about it, watch videos, but nothing prepares you for being here. The air carries the scent of baking bread and sweet San Marzano tomatoes. It's a city that engages all your senses at once. Here, food is not just sustenance, it is joy, community, life itself. And I was ready to dive in, to let Naples and its legendary pizza change the way I thought about food forever. This is where the story begins. Welcome to Naples. Stepping into the streets of Naples is an immersion like no other. The sounds hit you first: melodic conversations, buzzing scooters, church bells, and vendor shouts. It's a symphony of life, played at full volume. The city doesn't whisper, it sings. The energy is infectious, sweeping you up in its rhythm. People live openly here, laundry strung like banners, neighbors calling across streets, children playing in piazzas. You don't feel like a tourist for long. You feel like a guest in a vibrant family. The warmth is in the smiles of the people you pass. Then, the smells tell their own story: salty air from the bay, sweet pastries, strong espresso, and the irresistible scent of pizza. It's a trail of breadcrumbs leading you to the city's hidden gems, small pizzerias where magic happens. Walking through the historic center, you feel the weight of centuries. Ancient buildings stand with modern shops, a living museum where history is part of everyday life. This is the environment that gave birth to pizza, a dish for the people, born from creativity and necessity. Arriving in Naples is about stepping into a world where passion is the main ingredient in everything, especially food. It's a city that doesn't just exist, it thrives. And in its heart, pizza is the language that speaks to everyone. It's a journey through the heart of Neapolitan culture, a journey that begins with a single life-changing slice. Welcome to the Symphony of Naples. The story of pizza is the story of Naples, a tale of poverty, ingenuity, and royalty. For centuries, the working poor of Naples ate a simple flatbread, topped with whatever they could afford. It was food for the people, sold by street vendors. Everything changed in 1889 when Queen Margherita of Savoy visited Naples. Tired of fancy cuisine, she wanted something local. A pizzaiolo named Raffaele Esposito prepared 3 pizzas for her. One, with tomatoes, mozzarella, and basil, represented the Italian flag. The Queen loved it, and it became known as Pizza Margherita. Her endorsement transformed pizza from food for the poor to a dish fit for a queen. It gained respect and began its journey to becoming the world's most famous dish. But in Naples, it remains a food of the people, a symbol of pride. This history gives Neapolitan pizza its soul. It's not just a recipe, it's cultural heritage. The True Neapolitan Pizza Association protects this legacy with strict rules. It's about honoring a tradition woven into the city's identity. It's about protecting a legend that lives on every plate. Welcome to the history of pizza. Watching a pizzaiolo at work is like watching an artist. The process is simple, yet takes years to master. It begins with dough, flour, water, salt, yeast, mixed and left to rise. This slow fermentation develops flavor and texture. Shaping the base is a delicate operation, using fingertips to preserve air bubbles. The center is thin, the edge puffy. Toppings are simple but high quality. San Marzano tomatoes, fresh mozzarella, basil, olive oil. The pizza is cooked in a wood-fired oven at 900 degrees Fahrenheit. It cooks in 60 to 90 seconds, the crust puffing and charring. The cheese melts perfectly. It's a moment of alchemy, transforming simple ingredients into something extraordinary. It's a dance of skill, speed, and intuition. A masterpiece on a plate. Welcome to the art of pizza. Welcome to perfection. The pizza arrives, beautifully imperfect. The crust is puffed and blistered, the center soupy with tomato, cheese, and basil. The scent is overwhelmingly delicious. You fold the first slice, Neapolitan style, and take a bite. Everything you thought you knew about pizza is redefined. The crust is soft, chewy, with a slight crispness. It's light, airy, with a complex flavor from fermentation. It's not just a vehicle for toppings, it's the star. The tomatoes are sweet and fresh, the mozzarella creamy and milky. The basil adds a peppery note, the wood-fired oven a hint of smokiness. Each ingredient is distinct, yet combines into something greater. It's a perfect balance, an emotional experience. You taste history, tradition, passion. It's a moment of pure joy. You understand why people travel for this. It's not hype, it's the best pizza in the world. You feel gratitude for being here, in this city, at this moment. It's a revelation, a moment you'll never forget. Welcome to the revelation of pizza. Welcome to Naples. Welcome to joy. Welcome to the best. Welcome to the world of pizza. That first bite of Neapolitan pizza becomes a memory etched in your senses. Long after leaving Naples, you recall the taste, the texture, the sounds, the warmth. Food has the power to transport you back to a specific time and place. A pizza in Naples is a memory you'll revisit again and again. It's more than a meal. It's an experience that connects you to others. Sharing this pizza creates a bond, a communal experience. In Naples, food is the language of love, friendship, family. This experience changes your relationship with food. It reminds you of the importance of quality, tradition, and taking time. After tasting real Neapolitan pizza, you'll see every other pizza differently. It becomes a benchmark for what food should be: honest, delicious, full of soul. Welcome to the memory of pizza. To truly know Naples, you must eat its pizza. This dish reflects the city, bold, passionate, with a deep history. It's simple on the surface, but underneath are layers of tradition and artistry. Eating pizza here is like having a conversation with the city. It embodies the Neapolitan philosophy of life, joy in simple pleasures, pride in heritage, generosity. A world-class margherita pizza is accessible to everyone, uniting the city. The ingredients tell the story of the land: San Marzano tomatoes, buffalo mozzarella, fragrant basil. This pizza is a taste of the region, a celebration of local terroir. It's a dish that is profoundly Neapolitan. When you eat this pizza, you consume more than food. You consume culture. You take part in a ritual passed down through generations. You support a tradition that has survived wars, poverty, time. It's a living piece of history. In every bite, you taste the resilience, creativity, passion of the Neapolitan people. The soul of this city isn't in a museum, it's on this plate. Welcome to the soul of Naples. Welcome to the heart of pizza. Welcome to the city on a plate. What are you waiting for? Experience this for yourself. Words can only do so much. To truly understand, you must be here. Walk these streets, breathe this air, taste this pizza. Let Naples work its magic on you. It's a journey that will change you. Don't be intimidated. Come with an open mind and appetite. Follow the scent of pizza. Step into a crowded pizzeria. Watch the pizzaiolo work. Take that first bite and let joy wash over you. This is more than a vacation. It's an education. Connect with a culture through its food. Meet the keepers of traditions. Ask questions, hear stories, share passions, create real, lasting travel memories. It's not about checking sites off a list. It's about making human connections. Start planning your journey. Come to Naples for history, art, chaos, and most of all, pizza. Discover the dish that conquered the world in the city where it was born. Find the soul of Italy on a plate. It's a pilgrimage worth making, a story waiting for you to be a part of. Welcome to your invitation to Naples. My time in Naples may have ended, but the journey it started within me continues. This city and its pizza taught me that food is a universal language. It's a bridge connecting us all, a way to understand a place and its people. The search for authentic connections and honest flavors is a lifelong quest. This experience reignited my passion for discovery. There are so many stories to tell, flavors to taste, people to meet. Every place has its own culinary story, and I want to find them. I hope this story has inspired you, made you hungry for adventure. I hope it sparked a desire to find your own Naples. The world is full of magic, much of it found on a plate. Thank you for joining me on this journey. The search for the heart of Italy and the world continues. There are more meals to share, stories to tell. If you've enjoyed this adventure, follow along for the next one. Let's keep exploring together, one delicious bite at a time. The best meals are the ones we share. Thank you. Welcome to the journey that never ends. Welcome to the world of discovery. Welcome to the adventure of a lifetime.